Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play a piano in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to obtain a piano, and this is my piano. I got this piano from sign-in event. You can go to this menu and then select this 7-day sign-in. And then on day 3, you'll be able to claim free piano. Or you can also go to any store. You can find Annie at the Winter Utopia. She's right here. You need to visit her and go to her store, and then you will be able to buy the piano. And once you own the piano, you need to go to your backpack and then place the piano in your house, and then you're going to click on this icon to play it. Okay, and just play the piano like this, or if you want to have the guide, just go to this menu and you can choose the music that you want to play. For example, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Click on play music and the note will appear right here, and then you can follow the note like this. Okay guys, and that's how you can play piano in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.